Hey y'all, we have an update on Rhaenyra. The wig is finished. Let me show you what it looks like. Here she is in all her very unstyled glory. All of the hair has been placed in, and I wanted to show you something really cool. So I put I call it like a half part, kinda, because the style of her hair is parted and then kind of pulled back where it needs to go. And I didn't have that in the other wig. So I think this is gonna definitely make a style change. It's really cool. Let's look a close up a little bit. Tiniest of tiny little hairs. And there it almost looks like there's no hairs in there because this is so blonde and the flash I have on right now is a little bright, but I think it looks really good. And now we are going to kind of calm down the flyaways a little bit and get to restyling this hair back, or styling this hair back into the style that I did for Rhaenyra. So wig is completed. Took me almost a full month. Wow.